KBB fair market range high, 8,262 recent arrival Summit White 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD clean vehicle history, maintenance performed by John Sinclair Nissan, second lieutenant convenience package, 6-speaker audio system feature, auto dimming inside rear view mirror, black power heated outside rear view mirrors, body colored body side moldings, color keep carpeted floor covering, driver and front passenger illuminated visor mirrors, driver side manual lumbar control seat adjuster, dual zone automatic climate control, electric rear window defogger, electronic cruise control with set and resume speed, easy lift tailgate package, floor console with dual cup holders, front halogen fog lamps, heated power adjustable black outside mirrors, heated windshield washer fluid system, heavy duty handling / trailering suspension package, heavy duty trailering equipment, leather wrapped steering wheel, locking tailgate, LT2 equipment group, power door locks, power windows with driver express down, power windows with driver / front passenger express down, remote vehicle starter system, solar ray deep tinted glass, spare tire lock, steering wheel mounted audio controls, universal home remote.